So you're at a customer's house and you've added all the line items to your estimate except for one, which is the one most people save for last. It's debris removal. Now that code that you're normally probably going to add is DMO-PU. And I think it's ironic that the selector code is PU because most adjusters' debris removal estimates really stink. How much debris removal should you add to an estimate? Well, in this video, we'll talk about it. I'm tearing out some wood floors in this house, and I thought this would be a good video to show how much debris fills up a pickup bed. Now the Xactimate code DMO-PU, which stands for a pickup, which is an 8-foot bed like the one I've got here in the picture. Now, I was tearing out these wood floors and I threw all of the debris into the back of my pickup truck, which is an 8-foot bed. Now one of the rooms, as you can see here, is fairly small, and just the wood floor had created a decent amount of debris removal. And so this room is 8 foot by 13, which is 104 square feet of wood floors. Now the other room I was pulling wood floors out of was 10 foot by 11 with a 2.6 by 4.6 offset. So that's roughly about 125 square feet of wood floors. Now I'm loading all the debris into the pickup truck. So you're looking at about 230 square feet of just wood floors. This doesn't include baseboards, doesn't include quarter round, doesn't include door trim, door casing, any of that. Strictly just wood floor. As you can see, it generated enough to almost fill this pickup completely full. Why am I showing you this video? Well, I want to show you this because you can kind of see how two small rooms can almost fill up a pickup load. So if they're really small jobs, the Xactimate code DMO-PU is probably fine. But if you're doing a decent amount of demo in multiple rooms, DMO-PU is probably not going to work. You would want to use a different code that allows for more tonnage of debris. Now I will say this, the wood floors that I'm tearing out of this house, I'm not throwing into the landfill. I'm going to sand it down and use it to make tables. I don't like it when things go to the landfill that we could reuse because I think we should be good stewards of what's been entrusted to us. And so just know that I'm not throwing perfectly good oak planks into the landfill. I'm going to reuse them and reclaim them. Anyway guys, I hope this video helps. I will see you in the next one.